Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get access to the Grog video generator completely for free and how to also access some other AI tools for free. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to get unlimited Grog video generations.
Did you hear that knock?
By this time, who go come?
Don't open that door.
Hi.
Do not go near that forest tonight.
Why, Mama? It's just trees.
Those are not just trees. The forest listens, and sometimes it answers.
Guy, you don't notice say this house no dey ever dark. Na rich man na light no fit worry am. Even when NEPA take light, everywhere still dey shine. You sure say na normal?
So this video on my screen was made 100% using Grog AI. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So welcome back to this video. First of all, we're going to go to the search bar here and we're going to type in imagine so I'm going to click on it. So I'm sure a lot of you have come across the Imagine Arts AI. So it's a paid AI, but I'm going to be showing you how to use it for absolutely free. So we're going to click on it here. You can see here on the video aspect we have Clink AI, we have Pixverse, and a lot of AI models. Yeah, even in the image section we have Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and we have a lot of AI models here. So I'm going to go to video and let me show you the Grok AI. So when I click on video, you can see here Grok AI, which is paid. So we're going to unlock this using this method. So I'm going to come over to here that says sign in. I'm going to sign in here, and it's going to ask you how you want to sign in. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. It's going to load. So yeah, we're done signing. So you can see here we were given 100 free credits. We're giving 100 free credits. So we're going to increase that, going to 1,100 credits. So for we to get that, for we to get the 1,100 credits, we're going to come over to here that says workflow. We're going to click on workflow here. So I can tell that this is one of the best methods to use to get the Grok AI, not like other websites where it's kind of tricky. Or so yeah, we're going to click on here that says create new workflow. So it's going to take us to redirect us here. So you can see here, build your first workflow in under 1 minute and earn free 1,000 credits. So we're going to click on get started. So yeah, we're going to follow it. So we're going to click here on prompt. Here that is showing this purple highlight. I'm going to click on prompt. So I'm going to from here drag this node. I'm going to drag this node wire here. So we're actually creating a node. I'm going to click on generate image. Let's choose Nano Banana Pro and let's just click on run. So it's going to run. See here, you have created your first workflow. Try adding and so on. So let's go back here and let's refresh. Load. You can see here 1,001 credits. So for we to make use of Grok, we're just going to come over to this workflow here and we're going to click create a new workflow. So this only works when you're using a workflow. You can't just go indirect and use it. So we're going to click on create new workflow here. So you can also use your phone to do this, and you can maybe connect a mouse as an OTG device to your phone, and make sure when doing this on your phone you enable the desktop mode on your browser. So we're going to come over here and says prompt. So there are actually two ways to do this. You either generate your image using here, or you're going to generate your image using Google Gemini. So if you are generating your image with the Imagine Art, it's going to take your credit. So best way to do this is just to generate your image using Google Gemini. So we're just going to be using Imagine Art for just Grok only to save the credits. So I'm going to paste in this prompt here, image prompt. I'm going to generate this image here. Our image is done generating. I'm just going to download the image here, and we're going to get rid of this small watermark here. Done. So the watermark has been removed. So this is the before and after. So I'm going to drag in this our image directly to here. We're going to drag in our image here, drag in this image here. So it's going to drag in here. So let's zoom out a little bit. So it is downloading. So I'm going to drag in from here and create a new node, and let's set this to generate video. So I'm going to make use of Grok. I'm going to click on Grok. Then I'm going to type in this our prompt. So I have in my motion prompt and dialog prompt. So I'm going to clear this out. So that is it. Yes, I'm going to click on 15 seconds and set this to 720p as a resolution. So you can see here the credits we're going to make use of is 450. So we already have 1100. So we can generate up to 5 videos using this. So I'm going to also show you a method on how to get this unlimitedly. So if you reduce the resolution, you can get you can save some credits, but we're just going to set this to 15, and later I'm going to show you how to get unlimited credits. So I'm going to click on run. It is going to run. So our video is done generating here. So I'm just going to come over here that says download. I'm going to download it. You can go ahead and preview it, or you can just go straight and download it. So I'm going to download it. So that is it here. So we have a 15 seconds video. So it is done downloading. So let me play it. So this is the video here.
Sade, no go near that river after dark.
But mama, na just water.
That water get memory, and it no they forgive. It is a memory. The gule get mass and then they forgive.
So you can see how this is so seamless and realistic. So let's try other prompts. So I'm just going to create a new workflow, or you can decide to delete this. So let's just delete this. So I'm just going to drag in this image here, and let's take this here. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this here, and I'm going to drag this node here, and let's set this to generate video. I'm going to select the Grok image. Let's Grok here. So I'm going to paste in my prompt here, and I'm still going to set this to 15 seconds, and I'm going to click on run. So the video is done downloading. So let's preview the video. This is the video here.
You no choose the crown choose you. Then why do I feel like something is wrong? Because power always comes with a price.
So that is it. So you added a background music to it. So now this is how to get your unlimited access. So you're going to log out. I'm going to go over to this site, temp mail. So this Imagine Art actually gives you the ability to make use of a temporary mail. So this is the temporary mail here. I'm going to copy this temporary mail we have here, and I'm going to click on continue. So we're going to just set a username. You can fill in whatever username you want. So that is it here. So I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to load. So you can see here. So it's going to send, you can decide to save this so that you won't lose your passwords. So you see here, so it's going to send the code to this temp mail. I'm going to copy just the code and I'm going to paste it here, and I click on verify, and that is it. So you can see here, this is a fresh account. So this is the Gmail we used to register here. So that is it. So you can see we already have 100 credits. So we're just going to repeat the same step all over again, and I'm going to get the 1000 free credits. So make sure to use this as it is still new. Make sure to take advantage of this opportunity as it is still new, and do not miss this. So we're just going to continue creating using this fresh account. So you can do this all over and all over again. So that is it for today's video. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if this method worked for you, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Do well to share this video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell not to miss amazing contents like this. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.